you, girl. My heart says follow through, but I know now that I'm waiting on your line, and the waiting feeling's fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string, 'cause I know how to do it. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm done. Wanna know where you're gonna come soon. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Because summer is here and I'm still waiting there. Winter is here and I'm still waiting there. Like I said, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still can knock some more. Ooh girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now, for I to knock some more. You see, in life I know there's lots of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes burn, tears in my eyes burn, while I'm waiting for my turn. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't short, oh Lord. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I wanna make it with you.
Thank you very much. How are we doing? How's everybody doing?